Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and today I am going to talk about a very interesting topic, that too particularly which happened in India, or let's say a myth which has been surrounding that places. So today, like that, I am going to talk about 10 interesting places that has been haunted in India. So let me get into the topic right away. So the first haunted places on our list is Bhangra Fort. Yes, you heard me right. The first haunted places in India is Bhangra Fort. So you may ask, why is it haunted? It is because um, it is believed that during the 16th century, a witch had started a foreign in love with a princess known as Ratnavati. So here what happened was, after he found that it was hopeless, what he tried to do was he tried to trap her through magic. I repeat, he tried to trap her with the magic. But Princess came to know about his plan, and later on what happened was he was sentenced to death. So before sentencing him, that is, or before he died, what happened was he had cursed the palace to be doomed and the village to be roofless. So till now, here if you even go to the site after 6 o'clock, here some of the people are saying that there are various type of noises which has been heard in this fort. And not only that, even the Archaeological Survey of India has prohibited the tourism to not enter the place after 6 p.m. So this is the first haunted place in India. The second interesting or say haunted place in India is none other than Kuldara village. So if you take this village, it is situated in Rajasthan. Even if you take Bangara Fort, that is also situated in Rajasthan only. So coming back to this Kuldara village, here you can see a empty city which has been half destroyed over a period of time. So those who want to stay at night, they will not prefer this place. Why? Because if anyone stays at this place during dark or say after 6 p.m., they will be not there the next day. So what they are saying, that is what the locals are saying, is that here during those days a minister has fallen in love with that particular girl. So but the villagers did not agree. So what happened was, they tortured them, the minister tortured them by putting over tax and assets, and later on what the villagers had planned was to vacate the village by overnight. So here the villagers were moved or vanished within a single night. Then after that, they don't know what had happened, or we don't know what had happened to them. So this is the second haunted place in India. The third haunted place in India is nothing but is about a school which is placed in Darjeeling. So the third haunted place in India is Do Il West Bengal. You may ask what is the speciality of this thing. It is nothing but here many tourist people and ordinary people have stated that they can hear the footsteps of many people in the forest. And not only that, even some people have reported that they can see the boy with a headdress. That means you can see a boy without a head at particular time in night. So this all related to only one school, which is nothing, no, I mean two schools, which is nothing but about Victoria Boys High School and Downhill Girls School. So they even stated that they can hear the footsteps in the hall during the night time after school. So this is the third interesting haunted places in India. The fourth haunted places in India is nothing but Dumas Beach, Gujarat. So if you see here, this beach is situated in the Arabian Sea in Gujarat. You may ask why, what is this beach famous for? If you go to that beach, you can see a sand which is black. You may ask, that is maybe because of black sand. No. So what the people believe there is, here if you see the Hindus is used to leave the burnt powder of their relatives into the sea. So this is considered to be a burial site for Hindus. So because of which what happened was, they can see a restless spirit which has been calling them, and not only that, many believe that see, if you go or if you follow that voice, what they are telling is you will be dead by morning. So this is the fourth interesting haunted places in India. The fifth interesting haunted places in India is nothing about Jaitana, Assam. This is a particular place, a village which has been located in Assam. So here what happened is, it consists of a population of 2,500 people. Not only that, many believe that, many stated that here in particular areas of this village, they can spot birds dying there. Even the scientist doesn't know why this phenomenon occurs. But the mystery around that village is nothing but many birds that in a particular area have been dying mysteriously. Yes, you heard me right. The birds are dying in a particular area of that village mysteriously. So this is the fifth interesting haunted places. The next interesting haunted places is nothing about Lambi Dar mines. So this mines, it is very famous for the countless deaths of people who are working there. So as you heard by the name, this is a particular mine in Rajasthan. Here what happened was, for no reasons, the many people who have been working in that particular mine has been dead. Some believe it is due to a spirit who doesn't want to work, who doesn't want to destroy the particular mine. But we don't know that one. But because of this, many people have started speculating rumors about this mine. So this mine is nothing but Rambi Dahar mine, where many people died. The next, the seventh interesting haunted place is nothing but is located in New Delhi, which is nothing but the seventh interesting haunted place is nothing but Aggression Ki Bori, New Delhi. Correct me if I am wrong. Aggression Ki Bori, New Delhi. So if you see, this is situated in New Delhi. This is a very ancient building. Here, many of them believe that this place is haunted by ghosts and demons. Even many tourists have complained that they have a feeling of somewhat different when they step inside. So this is the seventh interesting haunted places in India. We are at the last three haunted places in India. So the eighth haunted place in India is nothing but Ramoji Film City. Yes, the eighth haunted place in India is Ramoji Film City. So here you may ask, what is the specialty? Yes, I will tell you. So this Ramoji Film City is located at Hyderabad. This is actually a shooting place where even Bahubali and KGF shooting have been taken place. So this is a huge area which consists of theme park and hotels and other facility as well. This was built by a person named Ramoji. But you may ask, okay, this is still active now, but why are you talking about this? I will tell you the reason. It is because by the people who are gone for a shooting saw mysterious things there. For example, the accident which had taken place there, or the items to be eaten are missing, or say stuntman get injured. So like that, many things are happening in that particular film city. So what everyone did was they started speculating that this film city had been haunted. But till now, many people have been going into that film city, and what they stated is that this place is not haunted. We did not see anything. So I don't know what to say about this. This is one of the craziest haunted places in India. The ninth haunted places in India is nothing about the Coos Chowhal, Mumbai. So I repeat, the ninth interesting haunted place in India is the Kusa Chawal, Mumbai. So correct me if my pronunciation is wrong. So here many residents in Mumbai have spotted a ghost sightings which moves around the streets in particular area in Mumbai, and vanishes without a trace in the morning. So many locals tell that this ghost was an old lady who had fallen into the river without any asking help. This is the ninth interesting haunted places in India. The last haunted places, the craziest haunted places in India is nothing but Mumbai High Court. You may ask, what? Mumbai High Court? That is also haunted? Yes, not the entire Mumbai High Court has been haunted. This one particular room has been haunted in Mumbai High Court. Here, many lawyers have been believed that in one of their courtrooms is haunted by a vengeance spirit which has not seeked vengeance till now. So these are the 10 interesting haunted places in India. So I hope you like this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and tell me on what video I should make next. And before ending the video, what I like to say is, please guys, if you want any update about our channel or if you want any improvement about our channel, please do comment below so that I can upgrade to myself. Thank you.